Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Asure Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser and go to your default search engine. Then search Asure Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see Employee Login Asure. Click on it or go to agh.asurehcm.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Asure. From there, enter your employee name, year and your password. Choose your role, then click to I accept this website terms and condition. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Asure Payroll. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.